Mr. Woods, can you hear us?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us, Mr. Woods?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Eric Woods. This is U ticket 634-45122. One count, 2 vicious dogs off leash. Also calling case number U600872221. One count, dogs at large. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore, P80581 on behalf of Eric Woods. Mr. Woods, would you please state your name?
Eric Wood.
Your Honor, Mr. Woods is asking for a bench trial on these matters.
All right, is that right, Mr. Woods?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private? That would have been Mr. Fillmore today about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
He's telling me you want a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of September the 16th. September 16th. That's of this year, 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. So I know you're on the phone today, but I need to be able to see you in person. So you need to get some assistance so that we can physically see you on the date of your bench trial, okay?
Okay, so I can call that number on the back because I'm disabled. I can call that number on the back. I'm saying I don't know how to, I'm not phone savvy or whatever. You know, I don't know about it.
No nieces, no nephews, no cousins, no nobody who's younger than you that can help you?
Ma'am, no, I don't, man. No, I don't.
I'm gonna have to do this in person. I gotta see you. All right, it's gonna be in person then. You're gonna have to physically come to the courtroom because I have to see you in person for a bench trial,
Okay.
okay? So this is an
Okay.
in-person bench trial on September the 16th, 2022, still at 9 a.m. I'm gonna put your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you in person on September the 16th, 2022.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Womack?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jared Womack. This is ticket number P1331103. Count 1, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling tickets not on docket today, but a part of tickets he received. SP 1350204. Count 1, blockading, impeding traffic. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Womack. Sir, would you please state your name?
Jared Womack.
Your Honor, this is a date and time set for an arraignment in these matters. Mr. Womack was able to provide valid documentation. I did see valid proof of insurance as well as registration. I was not aware of the blockading ticket. I was going to ask the court to dismiss the insurance and the registration.
Okay. All right, yes, he does have a blockading ticket. It just got put into the system, because it just happened May 5th, 2022.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, he just received this ticket. So we can handle it today. He can leave to the blockading and I can take care of it today and then dismiss all the other remaining counts. Or he can he's entitled to have a formal hearing or have it before a magistrate. Depending on how you want to proceed. How do you want to proceed, Mr. Womack, today? I'll dismiss the other ones where we have, valid insurance and, registration. I can't get rid of the blockading, impeding traffic ticket at this point in time. You can be responsible to that, and then I'll charge you the fine for that. How do you want to move forward?
Is there a way I can, how much would the fine be?
It's $175.
I'm not sure if I can pay that today.
You don't have to pay it today. You have 14 days to pay civil infractions, but I will give you a little extra time if you need it, sir.
Okay. So how much time could you give me? How much time do I need?
Mr.
All
Womack.
right. About like a month.
Okay, I can give you 30 days. Would that be enough time?
Yeah, that should be good.
Now, you don't have to take anything. You can always wait and get another date for these, because they're civil infraction tickets. But if you handle everything today, this should be all your cases that you have out there that you know about, correct?
Right. Yeah. That's everything. This little ticket came like a couple of days ago. So.
Yeah, I did,
Right.
sir.
I didn't need that one. I'm like, wow, I already got something.
All right. How about this? You want to take this plea of responsible today, Mr. Womack?
Yes.
All right. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Put your hand down. Thank you, Mr. Womack. You had the opportunity to talk to Mr. Fillmore in private today about the other matters, and then I have these other two cases that I brought up today that are tickets you received very recently that we are going to put a part of the package. You understand that, Mr. Womack?
Yes.
And so I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis. You know how much the fine is. I'm going to assess that, but I'm going to give you time to be able to pay that. You understand that, Mr. Womack?
Yes.
All right. So on the date of May 5th of 2022, in the area of West 7 Mile in Edinburgh, Mr. Womack was driving a Dodge vehicle and did block or impede traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Fillmore?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss ticket P1331103, counts 1 and 2, because he had valid documentation, as well as ticket SP135-02042, which is no proof of insurance, but he had valid documentation for that today as well. The blockading ticket is $175, sir. If I give you 45 days to pay that, would that be enough time, Mr. Womack?
Yes, that'll be perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 45 days to pay that. If not, these wonderful things called late costs and fines attached to it, okay? So it's not that it goes away, it just goes up, okay?
And like how would I know who to come to?
So you can either pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, and you can make payments on it, or you can physically come down. We are open for taking payments at 36 District Court. So you can either physically come down here and pay for it, or you can go online. Those DivDat machines, I don't know if you're familiar with it, that you can pay other City of Detroit bills on. You can pay it there too. They're like my.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you 30 days would be June 16th. So plus 15. That puts us at, let me do my math. 1, 2. So that's June 23rd. June 23rd. You can think you can have it paid by that then?
June 23rd. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's not. Yeah. That's good. That's good.
You sure, Mr. Womack? You making a
Wait,
lot of money.
No, because you said 45 days. I was like, is that 45?
Is it?
It's probably like, but let me see. Because next month, 16, you said 20.
That means you're right. It takes us to June 31st, which doesn't exist. How about you have it paid by July 1st? That's a Friday, July 1st.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
July 1st is when I need this payment due, okay, sir?
All right, sounds good.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Stop getting tickets, Mr. Womack.
All right, I will. No, you trust me.
All right, have a good day.
So, thank you.
Bye-bye. Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of People versus Tiana Williams. This is ticket number P 1267896. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ma'am, would you please state your name?
Tanya Williams.
Your Honor, this is the ticket I asked for off the record. Ms. Williams apparently sold this vehicle in 2021 to the individual that the court named as the driver. She said that she was not in the passenger seat. So she may be going to file a police report based on possible stolen identity. And also she's going to gather her bill of sale and some other documentation. So she is asking for a bench trial today and some time to get those items together.
Okay, that's fine. Is that right, Ms. Williams? You want to have a bench trial in this matter so you can get those documents together?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would be Mr. Fillmore in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
He's telling me you want a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so my bench trials aren't until September, so September the 16th at 9 a.m. That should give you plenty of time to do everything that you need to do, ma'am. September 16th, 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Bring all of that documentation, have it via Zoom, but have all the documentation ready to be able to show it to us. So
Yes,
that we
ma'am.
can be what's going on, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back on September the 16th, 9 a.m. through Zoom, same Zoom number with all your documentation, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Have a good
Good
day.
luck, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely. I hope I didn't click him out the session. I think I just clicked somebody out the session by accident. The rest of the people, I'm gonna close out the rest of the rooms. I was having trouble bringing them back in. For some reason.
People color.
Hi, Mr. White.
How you doing? President.
I'm fine, and you?
I'm all right. Organization.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the People versus Kenneth White. This is ticket number P 876902. One count drove while license suspended. Also calling, I know you're not lying down in the bed, Mr. Williams. You better sit up for court. Ticket number P 1328591. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, then with Mr. White.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. White. Sir, please state your name.
Kenneth White.
And Your Honor, we do have a resolution in this matter. Mr. White would be pleading guilty to one amended count of improper plates, and the remaining counts will be dismissed.
You want to take advantage of that offer today, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I didn't hear it.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of March the 15th of 2022. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Rosa Parks and Ford Street in the Ford, that's Ford Street in the
Yes.
city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, they were.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Fillmore?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 3. I'm going to dismiss count 1 and 2 of that ticket ending in 8591, and I'm going to dismiss ticket P876902, sir. All right, my fine is typically $200, sir. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Oh, I could have that by the weekend.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case, okay, sir?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'm gonna make it due June 16th, 2022, okay, sir?
All right.
All right, you have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Omega Williams, or Taylor?
Tego.
Taylor, thank you. I lost you for a moment. I felt like I clicked you off. I apologize if I did, okay? Now calling the matter of the people versus Atego Williams. This is ticket number P851633. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1327689. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number 400168. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, would you please state your name?
I take Williams.
Your Honor, there is a plea offer in this matter. The plea offer had Mr. Williams pleading guilty. The count that would have been amended was for his registration. He was able to provide valid insurance and registration today, so that would leave the improper license ticket out there. And I'm not sure if Mr. Gillis is still in the courtroom, but I explained to Mr. Williams that the people would likely amend that to failure to display a license. So that is the offer that he would like to plead to, is FTD and the other 2 being dismissed.
Okay, so he has he showed you his car insurance and what else today?
His registration, Your Honor.
Okay, and he did have 1 state count, but it's for FTD. How about he pleads to that state count? I'll dismiss everything else.
Yes, that would be fine. Is that okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right, if so, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case, about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today? It's okay.
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 11th of 2018. Were you at that time driving a Cadillac vehicle in the area of 7 Mile in Lincolnshire in the city of Detroit?
You said yes.
Okay. And while you were driving that vehicle, were you stopped by a police officer?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license to that police officer?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Fillmore?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter one count, failed to display a valid operator's license on ticket ending in 1633. I'm dismissing count 2 of that ticket, dismissing ticket P1327689. 1689 in its entirety. And I'm going to dismiss ticket 400163. Nope, let me start that number again. 400168, count 1. All right, sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay. I'm gonna have to do no later than June 16, 2022. Now, you may have some reinstatement fees because some of these tickets do carry those. I don't waive those. Those are like $45, however many you may have. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further though, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day, Mr. Williams, okay?
You as well, thank you.
I will, thank you. All right. Octavius, Vicious, Williams, Babish.
Lavish.
Lavish, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lavish Williams. This is ticket number P1301776. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, would you please state your name?
Lavish T. Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams did provide valid documentation this afternoon. I would ask the court to dismiss these matters.
You saw both his car insurance and his new tags on his plate?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and as an officer of the court, having seen those documents, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice today. Sir, make sure you always keep everything up to date, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yeah, we're up to date. The officer didn't have patience to receive him in his hand before writing the ticket.
I'm sorry, Mr. Williams.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This case is dismissed.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
All right.
Last but not least, Mr. Williams, Deshaun Williams, you can unmute yourself.
Okay, I'm here.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Deshaun Williams. This is ticket number P1090122. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, tinted windows, front passenger driver. Count 3, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Ticket number P1261962. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1261999. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, defective brake lights. Ticket number P1004674. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drove while license expired. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P090614. 1 count, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1118211. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number, and you may not have these on yours, Attorney Fillmore, these are state tickets. X3H51601. This is count 1, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P394852. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. One second. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, would you please state your name?
Yes, Deshaun Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is asking for a pretrial on these matters, so he believes he's going to have a lot of this documentation by the next court hearing, so he's asking for a pretrial date.
Okay. I'm gonna put these on a free trial for August 30th, sir. That's to give you plenty of time. August 30th. 2022, it is gonna be in the morning instead, so it's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom.
Okay.
I'm gonna set your bond as, did you have to pay any bond money for any of these tickets?
No, I don't think so.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Please show back up for all these tickets.
Okay.
Okay,
I have everything but my license. I just don't have enough time to go take a picture and grab everything right now. So I got my registration. I got proof of my insurance papers and receipts. I have my title and plate and everything. I just can't go get a picture of it all right now.
So you know you can't drive until you get that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, so, I mean, you need to make it a top priority. I know it can be difficult, but you need to figure that out, because if that's what's stopping you from getting your license in the picture, you need to take care of that.
All right. Well, actually, I can do it today. I can get a hold of everything today.
Well, try, but I don't have any dates. I have limited access this week, and I'm out until June. So, and then my whole June is booked, so August, you got some time. You don't have until August.
Oh, okay. Well, definitely by that time, I'll have everything for you.
Okay, August 30th, 8:30 a.m. Be able to show us all this stuff so that it can be shown to the city attorney, so we can see if we can do anything about all these tickets, okay, sir?
Yes.
All right, you got any more questions?
No, that'd be it.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Witherspoon never signed back on, so you can take us off of YouTube. Mr. White signed back on for a minute.